Just a quick video review of this Amazon humidifier. Just going to try to turn it on. Look at that. Control the level of intensity using the included remote. And you got your water level here. You fill it up with water before you use it. It'll shut itself off. If it runs out, you can put aromatherapy stuff into there. Move it with this handle. It stands pretty tall. It's about 3-4 feet tall up to my waist. This thing's powerful. I mean, it might be meant for a larger room than what I have it in here. But it's definitely making a huge difference in, we'll say, 300 square feet. It fixed humidity issues within a couple minutes of using it in here, so I'm happy with it. Good product. There's a couple extra things too. It's got a timer, it's got a sterilize mode, and it's got a sensor here that can detect the humidity levels properly, making it accurate. Good product.